You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn and listen carefully how to pronounce this word, very common word in English, one of the most common ones. If you want to learn more vocabulary that is confusing in English, stay tuned, I've got many more videos for you. British English and American English pronunciations are similar here. Thing. So let's break it down. You have a TH sound, which is made putting your tongue between your teeth, a th. Alright, so you put th. Put your tongue on your top teeth, th. And then eng. The G is not really pronounced, it's an ng sound. Thing. Thing. So you can say thing, it's also correct, but it's not generally pronounced that way in English. Listen carefully how to pronounce thing. Thing. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.